Hey YouTube, this is another unboxing. This one is of the wireless internet router repeater from iTech. Basically, we bought this to extend the wireless network, and hopefully it does just that. And I'm not going to really do a review on this because it's going to be installed. But what I can do is I will post a comment and tell you guys how it works. So first of all, I'm just gonna. We got this from Rite Aid for about $30. Okay, take that out. Slip this out. Try not to damage it at the same time. Okay, there we go. So you got your instruction booklet. Tells you how to do pretty much anything. You got the device itself. Nice and compact. And that's all there is to it. This instruction booklet, packaging, and the device itself. So let's get into this a little bit. It's one sheet of plastic, two sheets of plastic, almost like opening up a piece of American cheese. And that goes like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the unboxing. Thanks again for watching, and if you like this video, remember to comment, like it, and subscribe. And this was the iTech wireless repeater. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.